A pendulum has a period of 2 seconds. What is its length? This is higher math. T is what? 2 pi square root of L over G. So we're solving for L, right? So I think our next step is T over 2 pi. Square that, right? It's 2 steps at once, is L over G. And I think L is what? G times T squared over 2 pi. Whoops. Put those pieces together, make a pi. All right. So 9.81 times 2 over 2 pi. I guess that's just 1 over pi squared, but okay. So 9.81 times parentheses 2 divided by pi squared. I'm getting that L is equal to 0.99396, so 0.994 meters with sig figs.